This is the model number Samsung 40 inches. I received this set in standby condition. So LED just blink, that's all. There is no any other function, backlight on or any other functions. Just the relay will on. This is the relay. So first of all, I got a standby voltage 5 volt. See here the voltage chart available here. Starting voltage 5 volt available, standby voltage, and then if I on the standby means it will on the relay, and I got output voltage from here 13 volt. Other than that, nothing work in this set. First of all, I remove the supply cable to motherboard and check the backlight not work. So after I remove the whole unit and I check 7 LED strip available, 3 volt 13 LED in each strip. So it is ported as 4 port. So in this power supply there is 4 LED driver and 4 boosting sections available. See here, this choke coil is producing 3 voltages, 1, 2, 3. This one is 4th. This is the filtering capacitors for 4 boosting circuits. So 2 driver ICs available in here. This one is controlling 2 part and this one is controlling 2 part. I will explain the partition about 7 LED strips. So one is separated with in this channel, that is this choke coil produces the voltage for only one strip around 39 voltage. So it produces around 42 voltages, that is controlled by this IC. So one LED strip counted. 6 LED strips available, that is ported as 3 port. So 2 LED strips is connected with seriously and taken an 1 part. So that is consuming around 80 voltage. The DC to DC converter is producing 90 volt here. So that is controlled this IC and it controlling 80 volt, around 80 volt for 2 channels, and 1 channel is controlled by this. So totally 4 channels available. So after I connected these things, without motherboard, all the strips are working perfect. So this is the IC I changed. See there, this is the IC, 2 ICs I changed. The IC get shorted and only one strip inside, only one strip got burned. So I changed all those things. Now I am going to on the only power supply without motherboard. See the motherboard voltage is removed. Now I'm going to on the set. See that all the LEDs are working perfectly. See that. So total step is working. Now I am going to insert the power cable to motherboard. After I connected motherboard power, I am not get the, see here, blinking. So I am not get the backlight or any information in panel. So I found 1.2 volt, that is core voltage. That IC get failure inside the IC. I remove the IC and I fix for 1.2 volt DC to DC converter. Now the set is working perfectly. I will show the screen. See the now we got the screen menu and exiting. So this is the manner to service the power supply, backlight and motherboard.